You've been told that a good, reliable car has to be expensive, that anything under $10,000 is just buying someone else's problems. That is a complete lie. And today, I'm going to prove it. Welcome to CARZMOOD. While most used cars are ticking time bombs, a few legends were so over-engineered they simply refused to die. These are the forever cars. And today, we're revealing 7 of these immortal machines you can buy right now for less than the price of a fancy watch. First on the list is the undisputed king of affordable reliability, the Toyota Avalon. Think of it as a Lexus ES, without the Lexus price tag. For under $10,000, you can find a pristine model from the late 2000s with the legendary 3.5-liter V6 engine, an engine known to go 300,000 miles without breaking a sweat. It's spacious, it's comfortable, and it is the single most reliable large sedan you can possibly buy for the money. It's the ultimate smart purchase. Number 2 is the car that proves you can have supreme luxury for the price of a used Civic, the Lexus ES350, specifically the 2007 to 2012 generation. This car is a cheat code. It's built on the same platform as the Camry, but with a layer of sound deadening and build quality that rivals cars costing 3 times as much. Its 3.5-liter V6 is identical to the Avalon's, meaning it's bulletproof. These cars are famous for hitting 250,000 miles with nothing but oil changes and tire rotations. Third on the list is for the people who need a true workhorse, the American legend powered by the Panther platform, the Ford Crown Victoria, Mercury Grand Marquis, or Lincoln Town Car. Yes, they're old, but they were built for a reason, to be indestructible. Police departments, taxi companies, they all use them because you simply couldn't kill them. The 4.6-liter V8 engine is simple, understressed, and parts are dirt cheap. It's a comfortable V8-powered tank that will outlive almost any modern car. Number 4 proves that good things come in small packages, the Honda Fit. This car is an engineering marvel. Not only is its 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine one of the most reliable power plants Honda has ever produced, but the car is a masterclass in practicality. The Magic Seat system allows you to configure the interior in ways that shame some small SUVs. It's the ultimate cheap, practical, and fun-to-drive car that will never, ever let you down. Fifth on the list is the SUV that started it all and is still one of the best, the Toyota RAV4, specifically the 3rd generation from 2006 to 2012. You have 2 bulletproof options here, the economical 4-cylinder or the shockingly fast 3.5-liter V6, the same engine from the Camry and Avalon. These SUVs are known for being incredibly durable, cheap to maintain, and spacious enough for any family. Just check for any underbody rust, and you have a vehicle that will easily last a decade. Number 6 is for those who want a bit more muscle, the Buick LeSabre with the 3800 V6. Do not laugh. This engine, the GM 3800 Series 2, is widely considered one of the greatest and most durable V6 engines ever built by any manufacturer. The Buick LeSabre itself is an incredibly comfortable, simple, and surprisingly durable car. They're often called the Buick that thinks it's a Toyota. It's the ultimate grandpa car, and that's a compliment. It means it's reliable and comfortable as a sofa. And finally, at number 7 is the legendary Acura TL, specifically the 3rd generation from 2004 to 2008. This car is a masterpiece. It combines stunning, timeless looks with Honda's legendary V6 reliability and a near-luxury interior. For under $10,000, you can get a car that still looks modern and feels premium today. Just make sure the automatic transmission has been well maintained and you have one of the best value used cars on the planet. So, there you have it. The Toyota Avalon, the Lexus ES350, the Crown Victoria, and 4 other bulletproof legends. This list is the ultimate proof that you do not need to spend a fortune to get a car that lasts. Reliability isn't about buying the newest or most expensive car. It's about buying the smartest car. If this list of forever cars helped you find your next reliable ride and saved you some money, do us a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe to CARZMOOD for more of the best car buying advice on YouTube. Now I want to hear from you. What's the most reliable cheap car you've ever owned? Is there a forever car that I missed on this list? Let everyone know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.